Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Both houses of parliament adjourned for the day amid ruckus over Manipur violence issue. Arrested mate in connection with attack at CMO Tura based on video footage evidence, not with any political intention, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong slams Mukul for insulting police department. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma asked news channels to verify facts to refrain from misinformation. The news in detail. Both the houses of parliament adjourned for the day following uproar by the opposition parties on Manipur violence issue. In the Rajya Sabha, when the house met for the day, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar said he has received 47 notices under Rule 267 on the situation in Manipur. Dhankar said he had already admitted short duration discussion over the matter and the government has already expressed its willingness for it. Members from TMC, Congress and others tried to press the demand to have an immediate discussion on Manipur under Rule 267 by suspending all the business of the House. Around 40 people have been arrested so far in connection with the attack on the office of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma by a mob in Tura on July 24th. In a press conference held today, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma says it is to be known that after the arrest of many political people in the incident by the opposition, the statement came that the police are working on the instruction of the political masters. Responding to which the Chief Minister made it clear that those who have been arrested on the basis of video footage evidence and not with any political intention.
For me, don't look at political affiliation. I am purely going by the evidence of who was present there. The videos are circulating everywhere for everybody to see, and Facebook posts are coming out, from individual accounts, and hence, based on clear black and white evidence, only based on that arrests are being made. And as I said, I have from day one, I have not mentioned anything about political parties, and I refrain from doing that because that's not the way I would like to look at this situation. As I said, this is something that concerns all of us.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police, Prasoon Tinsong, on Thursday hit back at TMC leader and former Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma for insulting the police department by terming the cops an instrument of political bosses. He said that the government and the police are here to protect the interests of the people of the state.
I think Dr. Mukul Sangma himself, he has been in the chair as Chief Minister for more than 7 years, maybe 8 years. I think when he talked that way, is he trying to say that time when he was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, he uses all the officers in the police department for his own interest? If that is so, it is so unfortunate. But let me tell you very frankly that as government, we are here, be it Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, or be it anybody. We are here not to protect for ourselves, but we are here to protect the citizens of the state.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today explicitly clarified that the altercation that happened in Mahadev Kola on Monday was purely an stand-alone incident and there is no religious or communal color to it. The background of the involved individuals have been studied and they do not belong to any organization established, Sangma thereby requesting everybody not to jump into conclusions giving a communal or religious angle as it leads to unnecessary tension. He also reiterated saying that if certain news channels who resort to spreading misinformation without verification facts, action will be taken against them.
Very standalone incident, not at all religiously or communally motivated, but it just so happens that the two groups were from two different communities, and hence it is easy to connect those dots and then try to give it a communal or religious color. We will take action against agencies that do unnecessarily create this kind of a picture.
A free hearing aid distribution camp was held yesterday at the State Resource Centre on Disability Affairs Civil Hospital. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor distributed the hearing aids, and he also assured government's full cooperation to people who need these aids. The East Khasi Hills District Administration recently held a meeting with the members of the Dorbar Shnongs of various localities of Shillong City at the Susutham Auditorium. The meeting was attended by Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongtaner, SP City, Vivek's Aim, Assistant Food Commissioner D.B.S. Mukhim, Rangba Shnong, and members of the different Dorbar Shnongs. The district administration has sought the support of the Dorbar Shnongs in dealing with the problems of drugs and also for the maintenance of law and order.
Kajing Kajuni ya ki Rangbashno, Bekentup ya ke urban area, but semi urban area. Kalong namar ba kidan katu ni ki kamu ki bang ya kendu nak kapor, hakabiya de bet kalon order, hakabiya de bat ke imlang salang, hakabiya de bat ki jingja ko ka district jongi, ani kwa ban dan kata kajing ya trilang bat kishnong, namar ni sngau thu ba lada nim dan kata kajing ya trilang long ke kajing su thu jing much ba te kan wan bat te kajing ya trilang.
The Sinjuki Rangba Shnong Ribhoi district today has taken strong decision to file complaint against the state government for failing to pay the pending bills of materials on the implementation of MNREGA on several villages in Ribhoi district. Speaking to media, the General Secretary of Sinjuki Rangba Shnong Ribhoi District, P.B. Siliang, said that the state government has taken lightly in the implementation of various projects of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guaranteed Act, and hence we are compelled to take this decision to move to the higher court for legal action on delay of pending bills of material which are yet to be paid by the state government.
Kawidi bakanika jing penslem jongka sorkar lengbaki blok beper gibran port Ribhoi district kalau bu jing sikadei yakinong elam jong ki VEC ban penyat sakmat ya ka jiptre ya kanika skim MGNRGA lani ka bangiti pajba ka skim jokkan mentala arsnem tam nakaliang jong ki bubun ki VEC ni claim yo su ka jing siu hakawide bat ka bay materials tikumta ka we ka jingmut nakaliang jong ka sunjuk ngilarai ba ya kanika kam ngin pha no ka jing ujo Syapo kajing bisar nakabanta aba nginyo ya kahok kajungi.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 25.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 18.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 84% while in the evening it was 61%. Forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Both houses of parliament adjourned for the day amid ruckus over Manipur violence issue. Arrested mate in connection with attack at CMO Tura base on video footage evidence not with any political intention, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Deputy Chief Minister Presto Intinsong claims slams Mughal for insulting police department. And Chief Minister Conrad Sangma asked news channel to verify facts to refrain from misinformation. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.